April 9th, 2011, just south, well, 40, when I say just, 40 miles south of Sioux City, Iowa, or Nebraska, west of Decatur. Storm developing just severe along a warm front. Developed about 30 minutes ago, 6 p.m. Betten came out here on 2 hours of sleep. And
that's right, after 2 hours of sleep the previous night.
Yep, chasing yesterday.
Live him at God.
Don't work for them anymore.
Yeah, it's moving south. Yeah, let's stop at this hill. I'm not too comfortable with it. The sand plus that.
Okay. Yeah, stop right here, right here.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's so far away.
Oh yeah, we're good. I just left it.
It's not flying either.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't know about that.
It's getting close quick.
Is that like the best?
Oh yeah. I don't know if we I don't know what to do. I have no getting nervous. Getting real nervous. Getting real nervous. Let's get to our road so we can get a perspective of what's going on. We're right on the edge of the wall cloud now. Oh, I can see through it now. That's not good. All right, let's stop right here. Oh, perfect place to stop. Perfect place to stop. Let's get out and see if we can get a bearing. Park. Oh, the power flash. Didn't get included. As soon as I started filming. Dang, that was so close. As soon as I started filming.
Still a lot of rising motion on the right edge.
Yeah, there is. I don't think it's done yet. Filming. That looks good. Why didn't it clean up? That clear slot's just got to the north side. Oh yeah.
I've got it now.
Curtis, keep checking on the west because the winds are coming out of the due east.
Oh yeah, it's on the ground. There's dust all in the air underneath it. Huge circulation on the ground.
Looks like a multi-vortex cut.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh my god. Do you see this? Stop right here. Wait, we're gonna go into town.
Oh my god. Well, we can go east.
Okay, yeah.
Out of town.
Holy snot.
Town just went out. Town just went out. Okay.
Should we record
this?
Yeah.
Yeah, call, I don't know, we're in the Des Moines area. Yeah, call 911, it's fine.
And look at the map and see what town
are we in?
Old boat. Old boat. Wedge tornado. Well, wait, hold on. It's doing that dust.
Vortex cone.
I don't want to call my mom to jam circuits. Do you have the weather service number?
Just call 911. Just tell them it's a tornado hit.
It's north of the town, I think.
It looks just north of town.
my gosh. Go, 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 go. Can't see the bottom of it. Big, oh, tornado. Turn off the light. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. It's gonna come towards you. It's not going to your best like that's coming. Yeah. They have to be.
Maybe forming that.
Alright,
Hey, nice funnel right in front of us. Oh, right here? Yeah. Let's tighten it up a little bit. You see some other power flashes.
when?
On that cone. So I thought it was a just right
If we got an hour of daylight, holy crap.
now look at this other. Oh, put the funnel right in front of us. Oh, yeah. Needle right there.
Right there in front of us. Wait for it. There it is.
Yeah. Shoot.
Oh my god. Oh, we're going. Oh wow. You wanna go? Give me the camera.
Yes.
We have 2 tornadoes on the ground, maybe even 3.
You wanna
Be
go?
careful. We're fine, actually, maybe. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, why can't this be day? Oh, man. Oh, yeah, there's a little debris at the bottom.
Oh, another bigger one to the right.
Yeah, there's a cone thing on the right.
There's a cone to the right.
Oh wow. Oh my god, if this was during the day, that'd be the mate.
Oh, there would be a figure of God. Oh, yeah, it's moving horizontally fast, too.
Alright, lift it.
No, it's still there.
Still there.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't have my seatbelt on. Oh, there's a cone coming right to the right of it.
Oh my god.
The cone is still.
Cone.
Yeah, go back to the cone.
Oh, no, it's still there. Still got a cone.
Oh, no. The power pole. Right.
It's not all the way on the ground, I don't think. It's definitely on the ground, but as far as considering a half-mile wide wedge, I can't